Hi friend, in this video I will tell you how you can participate to Binance Launchpool. And now participating to Binance Launchpool, you will earn Certic coin. It's a new coin and will list on Binance. First of all, if you don't have Binance account, you can use my referral link. It will get 10% discount to you for commission. Okay, now we entered to our Binance account via the home page, and then you can see finance and click to Binance earn, and then click just click launch pool. Dear friend, I don't have any subscriber to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. I am searching a lot of method and way to earn money, make money for you, and I am showing this to you. I am telling this to you. I hope it will be good for you. Okay, anyway, go on. Now there is just Certic coin in the event. There was a lot of coin, as you see in the Binance Launchpool, but their period has finished. Flamingo, Venus, Alpha, a lot of. Now there's just Certic, and farming period is 16 days. Firstly, we can check. You can stake BNB, BUSD or Certic. If you stake BNB, you will earn 4% for 1 year. If you stake BUSD, you will earn nearly 3% for 1 year, and for Certic it is nearly 70 for 1 year. First of all, I'm clicking BNB. If you want, just click stake and then just click maximum. You can see here available your BNB balance. I click stake and then OK. Now I staked 12 BNB to this pool, and I get 0.19 Certic coin in with this BNB. If you want to send this balance to your spot account, just click claim rewards and then claim rewards. Now my money sent went to my spot account. If you want take back your money to your spot account from pool, just click redeem and then just click maximum and click again redeem, and then your money will go to your spot account. Now let's see. And then I will come back again, and here there is Certic BUSD. If you just click stake and then again click stake, and you can hold your dollars, Binance dollars, to this pool, and you will earn Certic coin. And I'm coming back again, and this is Certic. You can hold also, you can participate to this event with Certic coin. You will earn Certic coin holding Certic coin. It is interesting here, I know, but it is like this. Okay friend, this is my video and it is finished. If you want to enter directly Binance Launchpad page, you can write launchpad.binance.com. I hope you like my video. I need your supporting. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.